Hey, what's going on? It's Travis from TravisJLoises.com, and welcome to my Social Post Magic review. I'm actually on the sales page right now. I try to get access from the vendor, but it's not working. So what I'm going to do inside this review video is give you more information about this by playing you the demo video that the actual vendor has put together. But before we get into that, I want to talk to you about some custom bonuses that I put together for this. So to start off, in a nutshell, Social Post Magic is a cloud-based platform. It's one of the easiest social media platforms you'll ever own. Basically, it's a social media management team working for you on autopilot. You create a whole year's worth of content in just an hour and generate a month's traffic in just minutes. With faster, easier, and more profitable automated social media posting, everyone knows you should be able to be doing more on social media. Here's the most common response that you get: you don't have time. And so that's the thing of the past. Social Post Magic is going to help you with this automation process. This is going live on the 1st of December, so that is when it will be active. So that's when you can click on the link down below in my YouTube description. Once that is active, it's going to bring you over to my website. And if you click on any of these yellow buttons, it's going to bring you over to the sales page. And then once you're on the sales page, you can come down here and click this button. You can get access to be able to purchase Social Post Magic. So once you are on my website, and if you pick up Social Post Magic through my links, you're going to get these exclusive custom-made bonuses included free of charge. Exclusive bonus number one is it's going to be a full-blown course on how you can build authority YouTube channels. It's a full training course that shows you how to build authority YouTube channels that can outrank your competition for promoting affiliate offers. Bonus number two is I'm going to show you how you can find buyers on Facebook. And this, you can build a relationship with them and market to them through your email. Bonus number three I'm reveal here is my own personal solo ad vendors that send me buyers. This is a collection of winning solo ad vendors that have produced all of my affiliate commissions with solo ads. My bonus number four is a free funnel and website builder. You get access to free funnel website builder so you can build your own funnels to drive traffic to. This also includes extra exclusive bonuses from me on the access page. When you create your free account, you're going to be able to see what those are once you get access to this. And my last bonus, number five, is I'm going to give you access to top 50 promo day Facebook groups list. Here is a top 50 promo day Facebook groups list you can join, take part in, engage in, and post your business links and freebies, etc. on the correct promo day. If you do this right, you get lots of leads, and if you do it wrong, you'll get kicked out of the groups and spammers, and this is going to give you a full insight of exactly how to do this correctly and these active groups you're going to be able to post in. This is going to go well. It's kind of like hand in hand with the Social Post Magic, where you can automate these posts and you'll be able to share these in these groups, and this is going to help you out possibly in making more profits. So all these bonuses are going to be yours 100% free of charge as part of your purchase, even if you just pick up the front end, which is just going to be $67 one time. And then all you need to do to access these bonuses is just click on the link down below in the description of the video. It's going to bring you over to my website again, and then you're going to click through to the sales page. And once you pick that up, and once you pick this up, you simply need to go through to your JVZoo account, and in the top right-hand side, you're going to see a blue button that says looking for your purchases. Click on there, and it's going to bring you through over to your receipt. It's going to look something like this. I know this is pretty small, but here on the bottom, you're going to see a blue button, and it's going to say Travis's bonuses. Click on that blue button, and you'll get free access to all of your bonuses. And as I mentioned before, you're just going to be able to have to pick up the front end, which is just going to be the $67. So let's have a look at the sales page. It says, get an entire social media management team working for you on autopilot. Create a whole year worth of content in just an hour and generate a month's traffic in just minutes. Faster, easier, and more profitable automated social media posting. Post all your social media platforms from one dashboard. Organize, manage all your social media content under one roof. Reuse, recycle, and reschedule posts, all with just one click. Automatically build yourself a library of precious content, all magically sorted into groups and categories. Save time, save effort, save hassle. Unlimited accounts, unlimited posts, unlimited content. Manage, post, and reschedule your content on the go from anywhere with an internet connection. The best social media hack of 2020. It's got some testimonials. Got some more information here. These are the vendor bonuses that you're going to be getting also, along with my custom bonuses. You're going to get a 36-day planner, image software, meme post magic. I'll let you go ahead and access this sales page yourself and scroll through so you can read through this. Content Master Google Chrome plugin, 100 social media images, 100 quotes from the world's most famous people, social traffic plan. And this also comes with a completely protected by our 100% money back, no quibble guarantee. Okay, this is pretty lengthy. I'm going to let you go ahead and look at this in your own time. Okay, now I'm going to pass you over to the vendor, and they are going to go through a demo of Social Post Magic, and I will be right back with you in just a moment.
So welcome to the Social Post Magic software. I'm very excited to bring this to you. Now, as I mentioned, there are tutorials within the program itself. So this is just going to be the overview. And remember, this exists for one reason: to be able to combine all of your social media into one dashboard, to be able to craft and create posts easily, and to be able to manage that whole process and schedule posts and make it really easy. In essence, to make social media finally be able to work for you and not have you work for it. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do when you connect to Social Post Magic is you're going to want to jump in and connect all your social media accounts. Now, super easy to do. You can see here within Facebook, I've got different groups, I've got different pages, I've got my own timeline, etc. And of course, I can just simply add a new account. And right here is where I will choose which pages, which groups, etc. that I want to be able to connect right into our Social Post Magic. So you connect your accounts. And you'll do that for all of the different social media. So we've got Twitter, we've got YouTube, we've got LinkedIn, we've got Tumblr, we've got Reddit, we've got Vimeo, all the others. We've got a few coming as well, your own WordPress blogs, so you can connect your own blogs as well. And this is then once you've got your accounts connected, the next thing you may want to be able to do is group them together. So maybe, for example, you've got one group of accounts that you want to talk about online marketing and another group of accounts that you have that is just your fishing group, and you want to be able to connect that. So this is my fishing group, and then you can go through and just select which ones are going to be part of the fishing group. So that gives you the opportunity to then have different groups. You can post different information. Now we get to be able to post to our social media accounts. Now, of course, you can compose your own posts, and you have this ability to link your Google Drive, your Dropbox, your own file system, and you can upload directly from these areas. So we've got, for example, a library of images that you can bring into your posts. We say, which groups do we want to connect to? So we can say, listen, I just only want to connect to these ones. So now we're posting to these groups. We've got this image. We can bring in captions. Now, you can type your own. This is my new social post. Or we've got the ability to bring in a library, again, of quotes and captions so that you can have effortless posting to all of your social media. So we've got images, we've got information there. Of course, we can add videos if we want to do that as well. And now we can schedule, so we can post immediately. Or we can schedule this post to be a recurring post every 60 days or every 30 days and ending on a particular date. So we can actually repost this same image or this same quote onto our social media days and days and months in advance. So this allows us to effortlessly create content, have that content post to multiple accounts, and have it on a schedule. And of course, you can schedule in the future. You can schedule to be recurring. Absolutely awesome, straight from within the Social Post Magic dashboard. Now, you can also do things like bulk scheduling. So we can add from a calendar view. We can simply come up here and post directly from that calendar view. We can then see reports based on which social media site, based on what sort of visibility we want to have, and we can do it all from within the Social Post Media platform. Now, that's the quick overview. There are tutorials within the system, but this is the basics. We want to be able to create, we want to be able to post, we want to be able to schedule across every social media platform, and we want to be able to do it from one dashboard, and that is why we've created Social Post Magic.
Okay, I'm back. I hope you enjoyed that demo. Now I'm going to go over the OTOs, the upsells. So the front end, the best social media hack of 2020, Social Post Magic software, as you just saw the demo of, is going to be $67 one time. OTO number one is automated content growth, which is going to be $19.95 per month. So this is going to be a month-to-month service. And then OTO 2 is a social post agency pack, which is going to be $197 per year. I don't have any more information on this. But then once you go through the funnel, you'll be able to see the actual offer for each one of these. It's going to be giving you a lot more information on those. But just remember, you're going to get all of my bonuses that I mentioned all down here before, which again is going to be my top 50 promo day Facebook groups list, my free funnel and website builder, my personal solo ad vendors that send me buyers, finding buyers on Facebook, and build authority YouTube channels. And you're going to get all of those just by picking up the front end one time for $67. And that is the end of my Social Magic review. Remember, this goes live December 1st when the buttons will become active. And all those bonuses, like I mentioned, will be delivered to you free of charge by picking up the front end for $67 in your JV's account. And with that being said, stay safe out there. I will see you on the next one. All the best. Bye.